Hi folks, welcome to the channel. Right, so today what I'm doing, I'm going to go to Villamartin, to where I'm going to be moving to, hopefully in about 4 weeks, to my own apartment. But I can't get into it, but I'm going to bring you and show you around the area of Villamartin, see what you think of it, and we'll talk about a few other things along the way. But before we go, any of you who've seen the last video could very well be worried about the Buddha. The good news is he's had surgery. Back to normal. Seems okay, everything's been connected back up. Alright, onward and upward. Right, let's go. I'm still using my alternative wee camera. I don't trust my GoPro. Batteries keep running out. And this is far smaller and handier, and it follows me and things. So it was in my original vlogging camera, and I'm really starting to maybe prefer it to my GoPro. Anybody any thoughts on that? The last video, for example, the last two videos were all done on this wee camera. Did anyone think the quality went down or up or anything? Let me know in the comments. That would be great. Alright, I'm going to shut up. That's the European part that I did the video from last year. Lovely part, shape of Europe. This stretch of road, every time I've ever been on it, heavy traffic. Well, during the day. So although Google said 30 minutes there, this traffic's very heavy, so it's probably only a 15-20 minute drive. I very nearly didn't make this video, to be honest. This is Monday morning, and I met up with a friend yesterday from the channel, and we just met for the first time. Started to play pool and have some lunch, and the next thing I knew, one of those unexpected times where you've just drank too much. I got absolutely hammered for the first time in a very long time. And it was an early day, just one of those things. Got home at about 6 o'clock and fell asleep. Woke up about 10 o'clock and remembered why I don't drink much anymore. Oh my god, yesterday I had the hangover from hell. Last night, didn't even get a chance for it to happen this morning. But fortunately, I was able to take headache tablets and stuff before I properly went to bed last night, and I drank a gallon of water, and I got up this morning feeling great. But I remember the last thing I thought was, I'll not do that video tomorrow, I'll not be able to. So I think I'm going to go off the drink again for a while. If you keep driving straight on here, this is the road that takes you to Cartagena. Busy Spain. May, middle of May. I thought I'd get out and have a look around. This is I'm not sure we're actually in Villamartin yet, but the drive up towards it, this is like a very messy area, so sneaked out a few times. Whenever I was here, it was that one. This is also where my estate is. This whole area is very nice, very well maintained, clean and crisp and sharp. Fantastic. And then there wasn't much more to show you there. So I'm heading up now to Villamartin. It's so nice, it's so clean. When I was younger, I suppose since I was about 12 to 30, I played golf, and it's something I'd love to take up here, but it's very expensive. But I do believe there's ways around the high prices, so it's something I'll definitely be looking into. From the square, which I think is the centre of Villamartin, it'd be a pretty big walk to here. I don't think I'd be walking it, so definitely an electric bike needed. I'll actually measure it when I'm going back down. My guess would be 2 kilometres, but it's uphill. So my apartment is one of those, and it's just a lovely spot because straight facing it, big playground for the dogs, and it's all fenced in, and you can get into it from up above, so perfect for me. Every time I come here I like it a bit more. It's a lovely pool, very quiet. I'm going to assume most of these are holiday rentals, which is what you want. You don't want... My apartment in Watermar got very, very loud towards the end because they rented out all of the apartments long term. I went into the estate agent there. He says everything's progressing nicely, so touch wood that nothing happens. I'll be in before I'm finished with Lawrence's apartment, which would be ideal, which would be perfect. This is so quiet, yet it's just around the corner from a lot of busy stuff. Very nice. Right, so now some of you may have noticed in one of my earlier videos I showed you a sheet of paper and I thought I'd hidden the price of the apartment, but a couple of smart people spotted it on another bit and I removed it. So if you know the answer to this question because you've seen it, don't answer. But you haven't been in my apartment yet, you're not going to get into it for another month. You can see where it is. It's in Villamartin, it's very nice, but it's a small apartment. How much do you think I paid for it? Alright, and I am going to tell you at some point how much I paid for it, but it'd be interesting to see here what people think. It's a studio apartment, the looks out over the pool, nice wee balcony, and everything in it, washing machine, everything else. The only thing it doesn't have is an air conditioning unit. She says it doesn't need it, and I'm in Lawrence's house at the minute, and I'm pretty good with the heat. I haven't turned it on once in his house, so but then they're not an expensive thing anyway if I wanted to, but there's a great big fan, and she says when the windows are open and it's night and it's warm, that does a great job. Alright, so there's a wee puzzler for anyone who's interested. How much? And I can tell you, the house prices in Spain are rocketing. Like it's unbelievable how quickly they're going up, which could only be good for me. Right, onward and upward. So nice smell. The apartment itself, it's immaculate, really well maintained, quite modern. Everything's like new in it. And I think all I need to buy is cutlery, and that's it. Everything else is there. So there you go. What do you think of Villamartin if you don't know it? I'm so pleased, so happy with it. And it's a small apartment, but it's just perfect for me. and what I need. Oh, it's just absolutely ideal. So I've about another 4 weeks, I think, before I get into it and really settle. Can't take my roof down at the minute because the boots for the stuff and all, you know. So still a wee bit of a gypsy, although Lawrence's place is brilliant. So that's my very brief tour of Villamartin, and of course I'll do more extensive tours once I get to know the place. But gonna leave it off there. So hope you enjoyed that wee video. Don't think I'll be very long. Alright, if you did enjoy it, thumbs up, please give it a wee thumbs up right now. It'll take a wee second. Subscribe if you're enjoying the videos, and I'd love to hear your comments. But until next time, bye for now.